YouTube. We're going to start our pheasant on here pretty quick. Out by the Wolf River Game Farm. Enjoy the film. Hunt them up. Where's the birds? Stella, bring. Bring. Stella. Stella, bring. Drop. 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 I shot it. Drop. Good girl. I didn't have my camera on though. Here we go. Good girl.
No.
Drop. Drop. Stella. Good girl. Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Bring it here. Drop. 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 No. Good girl. Got him shot off. That could have been two, probably chasing him. One of you guys hit him, I didn't. I just shot when he was going down. Where's the bird, Stella? Bird. Good girl, bring it here.
Yeah, he did. I'd say there's gotta be one in here somewhere.
Good girl, got your eye blind. Bring it here. Good girl. Bring it here. Good. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. What's over here? Where's the bird? Where is he? Hunt him up. All right, we got our 6 birds. Now we're going on a little bonus around the pen hunt.
Come on.
It's by the birch trees in there.
Yeah.
Stella, come here. That was a chucker. Stella, come here. Come here. Come on. Hunt him up. Whose idea was this? Come on. Come on. There's one running right there. Good girl, bring it here.
You got Quail.
Good girl, bring it here. Drop. Hunt him up. Where's the bird? Watch her. Get it, Stella. Good girl, bring it here. Bring it here. Chucker. Good girl, Jake. You hit it in the foot. Drop. Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. So here's what we ended up with today. We shot pretty good. Ended up with 3 extras, right? 2 extras. And we missed the pheasant at the end. Go figure. So, thanks for watching. Enjoy the next one.